Host, ever feel that pinch between paychecks? You know the feeling, that unexpected bill throws your budget into disarray, and payday feels like an eternity away. That's where services like beforepay come in, offering a safety net to get you through those tight spots. But what if you get back on your feet faster than expected? Maybe you received a bonus, or a side hustle paid off. Wouldn't it be great to clear that beforepay loan early and avoid any lingering fees? Well, the good news is, beforepay actually allows for early repayments. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about paying off your beforepay advance ahead of schedule. Buckle up, financially savvy friends, because we're about to free you from those temporary beforepay blues. The allure of early repayment. Let's face it, beforepay is a convenient service. It helps bridge the gap between paychecks, preventing that dreaded ramen noodle for dinner scenario. But here's the thing, beforepay isn't free. You pay a fixed fee for the convenience, which is a fair trade-off for the immediate access to cash. However, if you manage to come up with the funds earlier, wouldn't you rather ditch that fee and save some money? Plus, there's a certain peace of mind that comes with being debt-free, even if it's a small loan. Early repayment allows you to regain control of your finances and plan for the future without that beforepay loan hanging over your head. Can you actually repay beforepay early? The answer is a resounding yes. Beforepay understands that financial situations can be fluid, and they offer flexibility in repayment options. You can choose to settle your loan in full or make partial payments before the scheduled due date. Here's the catch, there's always one, right? While beforepay allows early repayments, there are a few things to keep in mind. There's a waiting period. You can't just blast off an early payment the moment you receive the beforepay advance. There's a short waiting period, typically 2 days after receiving the funds. This gives beforepay time to process your initial transaction and ensure everything is in order. The 24-hour blackout, beforepay won't let you make an early repayment within 24 hours of the scheduled due date. This prevents any last-minute scrambling that might mess with their internal systems. Pending payments can't be rushed. If your repayment is already in pending status, you'll have to wait for that process to complete before making an early payment. Making that early repayment happen. So, you're ready to ditch that beforepay loan early? Here's how to do it. Open the beforepay app. This is your one-stop shop for managing your beforepay account. Navigate to the repayment section. This might be under different names depending on the app version, but it should be easy to find. Look for the early repayment option. This could be a dedicated button or an option within the repayment details. Select the amount. You can choose to repay the entire loan amount or make a partial payment. Confirm the transaction, double-check the details, and hit that confirm button to send the early payment on its way. Remember, it takes time. While beforepay processes transactions quickly, keep in mind that it might take up to 2 business days for your bank to settle the early repayment with beforepay's system. So, don't panic if you don't see the reflected balance immediately. Early repayment, a smart financial move. Here's the deal, whether or not early repayment is the right move for you depends on your specific situation. If you have the extra cash and can avoid accruing interest on other debts with higher rates, then early repayment with beforepay can save you money on the fixed fee. If you're tight on cash, prioritize paying off other high-interest debts first. Early repayment with beforepay might not be the most strategic move in that scenario. The bottom line on beforepay early repayment. Beforepay offers the convenience of early repayment, giving you more control over your finances. By understanding the limitations and weighing the pros and cons, you can decide if it's the right move for you. Remember, responsible financial management is about making informed choices. Beforepay is a tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.